Pollution is the introduction of substances, or energy, that contaminate air, water, or soil, causing harmful impacts on living organisms. Fossil fuel. They release greenhouse gases, can contribute to respiratory problems and acid rain. Domestic waste, food waste, sewage, rubbish like glass, plastics, paper, wood, metals. Industrial waste, heavy metals, heat, inert or water, and acids. Agricultural waste, fertilizers, animal waste, and pesticides contaminate water sources. Types of pollution: air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, light pollution, plastic pollution, thermal pollution, litter, noise pollution, radioactive contamination, and visual pollution. According to WHO, air pollution is a contamination of the indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical or biological agent that modifies the natural characteristics of the atmosphere. Household combustion devices, motor vehicles, industrial facilities and forest fires are common sources of air pollution. Pollutants of major public health concern include particulate matter, carbon monoxide, ozone, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. A primary pollutant is an air pollutant emitted directly from a source. A secondary pollutant is not directly emitted as such, but forms when other pollutants like primary pollutants react in the atmosphere. First is mobile sources. Fossil fuel combustion from automobiles including cars, buses, planes, trucks, and trains. Second is stationary sources, such as power plants, oil refineries, industrial facilities, and factories. Third is area sources, such as agricultural areas, cities, and wood-burning fireplaces. Last one is natural sources, such as wind-blown dust, wildfires, and volcanoes. Here is the complete diagram of relationships between air quality emissions and concentrations. Pollution from human-generated and natural sources is often created in one place and transported through the air. Sometimes chemical reactions in the atmosphere change pollutants before they are deposited. Air pollution impacts: first, greenhouse effect; second, ozone depletion; third, acidification; fourth, smog formation and eutrophication, etc. Long-term exposure to polluted air can have permanent health effects such as accelerated aging of the lungs, loss of lung capacity and decreased lung function, development of diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, and possibly cancer. Smog is air pollution that reduces visibility. When sunlight hits these chemicals, they form airborne particles and ground-level ozone, or smog. Ozone can be helpful or harmful. What type of air pollution you are regularly experiencing in your life? Comment below.